If you're looking for a budget PC build in 2023 and your budget is around $400 to up to $500, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can build the best PC and also will tell you what type of games you can play with it. Let's get started. So for the processor, I've chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one costs around $128. It has nearly 10,000 plus 4.80 star reviews on Amazon, and it's because for only $128 you are going to get 6 cores and 12 threads along with 4.4 GHz boost clock speed. And the best part of this processor is it comes with an integrated Radeon graphics, so you don't need an external graphics card with this processor. And also with this processor, without an external graphics card, you can play games like Fortnite, Valorant, GTA 5 at 1080p resolution with medium settings. So it's an excellent processor in this price. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the Asus Prime B550 Plus. This one costs around $132. With this motherboard, you will get 4 RAM slot, 2 M2 slot. One of them are PCIe Gen 4 supported, which is currently the fastest on the market. You will get decent amount of heatsink over the VRM section, and as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor, so it's an excellent combo. And for the RAM, we are using Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB. This one costs $44. Now you will be surprised after seeing the reviews on this product. It got around 76,000 4.80 star reviews on Amazon, and if you have watched PC build videos on YouTube, there is a very high chance you have already saw this RAM. Here we will get 2 RAM stick, each of them are 8GB, so in total there will be 16GB, and those 3200 MHz RAM works perfectly fine with this processor, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the storage, we are using Western Digital 1TB SSD. This one cost around $51. This SSD got around 10,000 plus 4.80 star reviews on Amazon. So as you can understand by now, I'm recommending you the best PC components that money can buy, and this SSD comes with up to 3500 Mbps read-write speed, which is more than enough for this build, and for only $51 it's an excellent value for money. And for the power supply, we are using EVGA 600 watt 80 plus certified power supply. This one costs around $64. Now this 600 watt power supply is more than enough for a 5600G build. You don't even need a 600 watt power supply for this build. A decent 300 watt is more than enough, but we have chosen a 600 watt power supply. It's because in future, if you want, you can upgrade to an external graphics card like RTX 3050, 3060, 3060 Ti. And if you upgrade this PC with an external graphics card like RTX 3060 Ti, it will be a superb, excellent, dedicated gaming PC. Finally, the casing is completely up to you. Buy whichever you like. If you want to save some money, go with a cheaper one. In this case, I am using a Vetro MO3 compact casing. This one costs around $69, and for only $69 you will get a mesh front, so there will be excellent airflow, a side tempered glass, an ARGB fan in the back, and overall this case has a basic minimalistic yet modern look. Thanks for watching.